Hey guys, if you've seen this video, you've bought a Taycan or a Macan EV from Porsche of Nashville. Congratulations. Now, when you bought your car, you got a charging demonstration from your Porsche Pro or your Porsche brand ambassador. My job today is just to kind of give you a refresher course on that charging. I'm going to give you a brief lesson in electricity, AC versus DC. AC, alternating current, that's the kind of plug you're going to find in your home that you should have gotten installed by an electrician. DC, now that's the big boys. That's going to be like the one we have up front, Electrify America, and ChargePoint all across the US. You've got two charge ports on the Taycan itself. Right here, you've got AC and AC. You can charge depending on how you pull in your garage on either side with the AC. DC, now that's only going to be on the passenger side for a Taycan. There are two types of doors on the Taycan for your charge ports. One is a manual, you would push and it just pops open. Two, an electronic one like this is, where you swipe your finger and it retracts up into the car. As you can see, retracts up into the car. I'm going to grab my AC charger like you're going to have at home. I'm using it here on the passenger side. Simply plug it in. Then you can track it on your app, or you can track it right here in the car, the status of the charge. Now that you've charged your car, what you do is you press the button here to the right of the charge port. It will turn white. That gives you the release to pull it out. You can hang it back up and now you're done. Now I'm going to give you an example of DC charging. Like I mentioned earlier, we have two at Porsche of Nashville, or you can go all across the US to Electrify America, our ChargePoint. Now the Macan EV is a little bit different than the Taycan because it's on the driver's side and it's in the rear of the car instead of the front of the car. Now, like the Taycan, you also have the option for a push button door. That was electric. This is the push button. So you push, pops right open. Next, you would go to the interface, whether it be here or across the US. Here, you're going to need a card to activate our chargers. At other chargers across the US, you're going to need a credit card. So once I scan this, pull the handle, I'm going to walk over to my EV, and I'm going to plug it in. Now, once again, you're going to check your app and you're going to check your car for charge times, and it'll tell you exactly when it's going to be done. Within 5 to 22 minutes, it can go from 0 to 80%, so relatively quick. Guys, if you have any other questions, please reach out to myself, Porsche Pro, or anybody at Porsche of Nashville to give you more tips on charging your car.